Hey, all right, we have made it to the end of the semester. Let's go over what we have this week. Only big thing is Monday and Tuesday is your final, so that's going to be on chapters 20 and 21. Remember, we're using Respondus with webcam for this, so please pay attention to the instructions as far as recording your environment. Make sure after you're done with your environment video that you do not grab anything or change your environment or add, phone notes, anything like that. Last thing you need is at the very end of the semester on your final test to get a 0 because you're not following the rules and cheating, and that happens way more than it should. So we've made it this far. Just finish the right way. So it's open Monday, Tuesday. Be open those 48 hours. If at all possible, please try to take the test on Monday or early Tuesday because as soon as Tuesday is over, I'm going to be switching over into final grade mode. I'll be up here on Wednesday, like calculating final grades and making sure I've got everything finished up. So the reason I say that is if you have any problems on Monday or on early Tuesday, I'll be able to work it out with you, reset the test if I need to. If you're taking the test like late Tuesday night and you run into any hiccups, I'm not going to be checking Blackboard at that time. So that means like we'll have to hurry up and get it fixed after that, and then we're kind of close to the deadline of when I've got to submit grades too. So, it should be okay. Probably, hopefully won't have any technical issues. But if you can take it on Monday or early Tuesday, that'll just give us time to work through anything if anything did come up, right? Other than that, the end of semester survey that I've told you about the last few weeks, that is going to be open until Tuesday, so make sure that you do that, all right? Just throwing this out one last time, I have a few students who still have not turned in labs to me. So like I know several of the labs we did from home and you were supposed to submit those online. Still missing a few of those. I've said ball's in your court, but I have to have those as soon as possible by Tuesday at the latest. After that, I'm not accepting any other assignments. So like if you realize, oh, I forgot to turn in lab 4 and that's going to make the difference in my final grade. After Tuesday, I can't take it because I've got to work on final grades, all right? So just check Blackboard if you have any zeros on the labs. Now, if you didn't attend, that's different, but there were some labs that we did from home and some of you just didn't submit those. If that's the case, let me know. Lab 5 was the photosynthesis lab, and that's one we did in person. I know I told you you could keep that worksheet and you could turn it in when we had our lab midterm. I think there's a few people who never turned that one in too. So just reach out to me if you've got any zeros for labs and you have any questions about that, let me know. If it's something where you could have turned it in, then I'll accept that. If you missed the lab, though, that's different. All right? Thanks. Let me know if you need anything. This is a weird way to end the semester, especially when we were like in person for the first 3 quarters of the semester, and now we're just finishing online. So I feel like I need to say something. I enjoyed this as much as you can. A really weird semester where we had to wear a mask and wipe the tables down afterwards and everything. But if y'all have any questions, if you need anything in the future, let me know, and hopefully I will see you again.